February 8th 2024. Let me quickly break down this trade I took on Euro USD during the London session today. Let me just clear my charts in order to make everything clear. So yesterday I was able to get a sell from right here at this level to this place. I got out of the trade at this somewhere around here yesterday. I said I was stepping out and I was done trading for the day. So this morning I came on the charts for the London session. So when I came on the chart, I checked Euro USD and also checked GBP USD, but I was able to get an entry on Euro USD. So when I came on the chart, I cited this zone right here. You can see that we have imbalance at this level right here, and this is a supply zone that we can take trade from. So I cited that zone, and I realized that during the Asian session, price has tapped into the zone but didn't actually tap properly. As you can see, we still have imbalance right here that was not completely filled. But you know, sometimes when price fill some particular zones, it doesn't fill it fully. So with that was why I had this alert set at this point. But later on I was watching what price was doing, and I realized that I could actually get into a sell trade even if price will not come and fill up this remaining imbalance, because I now realize that this Asian range high, the liquidity has been grabbed with this candle right here. And not just that, we grabbed the liquidity above this zone, we also broke structure to the downside. Okay, you can see that this was the low that gave rise to this high right here. We broke it down, and we also cleared out the this Asian range low liquidity. So when price came back to this zone right here, so I had this zone marked out as my point of interest to take entry. Let me just quickly go back. So I had this point of interest, and I had my alert now set at this level right here. So when price came back, my alert was triggered, and I manually entered into a trade. So my entry was somewhere down here because of market execution and spread, unlike having a sell limit. Okay, so I just did a market execution, and my stop loss was now at this high when I got into the trade. Why was my stop loss there instead of at this high? My stop loss was there because of the imbalance that we still have right here that was not properly tapped. If you check the 30 or 45 minutes time frame, it's more clear on those time frames. So that was why I had my stop loss originally set at that high. So I got into the trade. And market has now dropped. So immediately we broke below this structure. I then decided to just move my stop loss right here, but then again market dropped down, breaking below this low right here. And when I look to my left to see where I could take profit, I realized that we do not have a very clean area to take profit. All of these zones seems all mitigated. It looks like it has been mitigated, and I just decided to just manually close out on my trade. So I took profit already. I'm out of this trade. And also, another reason why I took my profits is because now I brought out my Fibonacci retracement tool up to this high right here and realized that price has now tapped into this 61% zone, which is a discounted zone, and we could possibly start seeing reversals from this zone back up, or reversals from this zone. But this zone at this left side is so unclear. We don't have any clear demand zone. Price has been mitigated, so I'm just out of my trade. I'm okay with my profits, so I'll just call this a scalp trade actually, because my my risk to reward was just a little over 1 hour, which is, so I'll just refer to it as a scalp, because normally I'll take trades between 1 to 3 hour or 1 to 5 hour, but with what I have already as profits, I'm already out of the market. I'm done for the day on this EURUSD. So let's move to GBP USD. It's just so funny that this week I've not been able to get entries on GBP USD. So for GBP USD this morning, I was looking at this let me check 1 hour time frame now. There was a 15 minutes. So this morning, so yesterday I talked about this consolidation that was happening here. I did not like price action at this point, so I left GU yesterday. So I cited this M15 point of interest. I don't know if I showed you this point of interest yesterday. I cited this M15, so I was looking forward for price this morning. I was actually waiting for price to push up from this level after the Asian session, London session. I was expecting price to pull up into this zone, then we should start seeing retracements, then I can possibly take a sell trade. But price did not get into this zone. Rather, also I was waiting, I was thinking we'll have a push to clear out the Asian range high, but as you all know, like I explained in my first video this year, that there are times that price will not take out the Asian range. Okay, there are times it will not. Price will just mitigate zones inside the Asian range as opposed to taking out liquidity. So later on, price will certainly come and clear out this later on. Okay, but as you can see, price used this zone. I actually saw when this zone was broken, a reversal back up, and this was a good sell entry. But for my criteria, I always prefer that my Asian range high is taken out every morning during the London session before I take my trade. And I would have gotten into this trade actually if this zone was not here, if we have a zone that has been mitigated, but this 15 minutes with imbalance was the reason why I didn't take it. And if I was to take it, that means I will have my stop loss at this high, which is over 30, which is about 38 pips in stop loss, which is way too much for me. Okay, so this was the reason why I was not able to cash this sell trade on GBP USD, but I was able to get that on EURUSD. Okay, so now I had this alert set yesterday. I was thinking I would take my, if I was able to get into a sell, this zone would have been my take profit zone, because we can see that we have a demand zone with imbalance right here. So this would have been my take profit zone, but you can see price has dropped. Now price is at a demand level at this zone. Price tapped into a 4 hours point of interest. If you go on your 4 hours, you see that zone right there. So at this point in time now, probably tomorrow or maybe later today, I'll be looking to see how price will react at these zones, if we could get into a buy trade, because I believe that just like I said yesterday, we have push up, push down, push up, then this is the reversal leg for us to go higher. So I'll be monitoring price if I'll be able to get into a buy trade, and if not, I won't be forcing myself to take any trade. So that'll be all for today, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you are interested in signing up into my academy, you can message me on Telegram or on Instagram. My handle is always in the description box below. That'll be all for today. Bye guys.